What going on with it? Sample Pack Saturday. Let's do it. If you ain't already did it, go to machinemasters.com, get your subscription. You can get these same samples that we chopping right now every Saturday, like clockwork. And if you want to, if you the type of artist that's into chopping samples, that's into making, boom bap, soulful sounds, those kind of beats, you can go back and dig till you can't dig no more. You can go all the way back to when everything first began. This is Sample Pack Saturday 622, I think. So you can go all the way back to number one, just digging. Man, you can't beat it. And you got drums, you got everything you need on the website. Anyway, let's get into it. Kinda hate I made last Sample Pack Saturday. Had some work to do, but I'm back. Let's get it. That's a side effect right there. I know that. That record right there. I know what that is. That man probably got some on it though. It probably got some on it. I'm gonna have to go back to it and see though. We're gonna definitely go back to it though. Oh. Captain Sky. Should I? I don't know. Should I? Let's see. Got that chopped up. I got the sample chopped up, so I'm finna add a synth key. See how that go. juice. And you know, want to know something crazy? I'm only using Arteria Lab. That's the only thing I'm using. Nothing else. I love that VHT. It got some of the greatest. Let me get back to it, man. Show y'all what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm gonna add a lead now. See how this. Got it. I'm gonna put the brass in here now. Let me see how that go. Man, let me go and put these drums in here, man. Let's see. Let go. Hold on. All right, man, let's go ahead and throw the kicks. Man, this is a little different for me. I don't normally make these kind of beats right here. This starting to sound like some R&B type stuff. So we just finna go with it anyway. You know what I'm saying? It's a little bit out of the ordinary for me, but let's get it. Let me add my little percussion sounds in here, man. I'm gonna get on out of here. Add that bass to it. See what we can get. Oh, y'all thought no, I'm not done. I'm not done. I'm just switching the beat up. I'm just switching the beat up. So what I'm gonna do is what a lot of y'all be doing anyway. I'm gonna drag and drop the hi hats in the beat right here. A lot of y'all be doing that anyway. I wasn't gonna say nothing, but you know it is what it is. You know, music is music. You know. Let's get to it though. Well, I already got my hi hats and stuff put in there, so I just got the band. Don't try this at home, Alright, let me add these last drums in. I ain't gonna take the sub out and put no 808 in because it technically still go with what I'm doing. So here we go. Let's do it. Alright, that's it. I sleep forgot to do something. I got to add something. Just watch me. Add it. Well, I think that's it for that, man. I'm gonna go ahead on and post up the beat. See what everybody think, man. This is another Sample Pack Saturday, man. Again, man, if you haven't already done it, go to the website, man, and get that subscription so you can get samples just like this right here every Saturday like clockwork. Never fails. You gonna get them. You gonna get them every Saturday like clockwork. And you need drums, scavenger, scowl through the website. They got drums, they got loop kits, they got different kind of stuff on there, man. Different sounds, whatever you need, they got it there. Again, man, this is another Sample Pack Saturday, man. This your boy Jay Young, man. The Country Woo. Check it out. Check the beat out. Tell me what you think.